Alright, so we have your tooth tied to some 10-pound test fishing line. And that fishing line goes where? To your Nerf gun. Okay, what do you think about this, Al? You ready?
Yes.
You gonna shoot me?
I can't.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Open your mouth though.
No, I can't.
You have to have your mouth open. Like that. Tilt your head back a little. There you go. Now shoot. Oh, did it work? Ah, lame. Hold on. We'll try it again.
Take two.
Take two?
Yes.
Okay, ready? It stayed in there.
I think one more shot and it'll be out.
Okay, you want to try it again?
Wait.
Yep, it's in there still. Okay. Open your mouth. Ah!
It keeps on hitting the ceiling.
Does it? Does it feel any different?
It's bleeding.
Is it now? Okay.
I taste it.
See
Oh, it's so salty.
your tooth now. What are we on? Take what?
Take 4.
Yeah, it's a little salty looking. All right, make sure your line's all not obscured. There you go. Okay, got it.
Take 4.
Take 4. Ready?
Go.
Open your mouth. Ah! Okay, so we put talc or cornstarch on the dart, so it should be extra slippery. Okay, mouth open.
And his tooth is one tough tooth. That's why it's taking a long time.
Yeah. Almost.
Oh, it's bleeding like crazy now.
Is it? Oh, that means it's ready to come out.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, no.
What? Let's do it. Let me see. Oh,
It's
yep,
gonna
okay.
be out.
I think it's coming out. Okay, come
I
here.
can taste it 1 second.
Okay. You ready? You ready?
1 second. Tape 6.
Okay. Open your mouth. Go.
Still in.
What? Let me see.
I don't think it's being tied on.